Hello， 大家好，我是王刚。本期视频我跟大家分享一道川味版的萝卜烧牛肉。
Let's hit it. First, let's prepare shoulder beef, 400 grams. Cut the beef into strips and then cut into pieces. Beef can be cut into larger pieces, since the beef will shrink during the stirring process. Put the diced beef into a bowl and add water to soak for 40 minutes. This is to remove the excess blood from the beef. Next, let's prepare the side ingredients. Prepare a white radish. Wash it after removing the head and tail. And then cut the radish into 2 cm small squares. Prepare 15 grams of red pickled chili and cut them into small pieces. Cut 15 grams of ginger into slices. Next, preparing the spices. Add 2 star anises into a bowl. Add a few bay leaves, 2 small pieces of cinnamon. Finally, add 2 pieces of orange peel. Now let's start cooking. First, add some water into the wok. Put the beef into the wok with the cold water, and then add some cooking wine. Turn the heat to maximum to boil the water. During boiling, remove the floating blood foam thoroughly. When there is no foam anymore, pour the beef out and drain. Now let's prepare to stir fry the beef. Warm up the wok. Add some vegetable oil after the wok is hot. After the oil temperature is there, put the spices in. And then add the beef. Turn down the heat to medium small and stir fry for 3 minutes. The purpose of this step is to force the fragrance out of the beef and the spices. After 3 minutes, add the pickled chili and ginger slices. Continue to stir fry for another minute. When the flavor of pickled chili and ginger coming out, add 15 grams of Sichuan broad bean paste. Add 10 grams of cooking oil from the side of the wok. Add 5 grams of oyster sauce. Turn up the heat to medium and stir fry the bean paste until the oil becomes right. When the oil is ready, add in the white radish. Continue using medium heat to stir fry for another minute. The purpose of this step is to fry the white radish until the unfavorable raw flavor is removed. Continue stir the radish until it is colored, and then add some water. Also add in 1 can of beer. The purpose of adding beer is to increase the freshness. Turn the heat to maximum to boil the soup. After the soup is boiled, pour everything into a casserole. For friends who don't have a casserole, just use the wok. And then turn on the heat and boil the soup. After the soup is boiled, turn down the heat to small and braise it for 15 minutes with the lid on. This will make the beef and radish thoroughly cooked and full of good flavors. After 15 minutes, let's start seasoning. Add 1 gram of salt, 1 gram of white pepper powder. Add 1 gram of sugar to enhance freshness. Stir well after adjusting the taste. After stirring, add some starch water to make the soup thick. Finally, add scallion oil 5 grams to brighten the dish. Before plating, add some scallions and coriander to serve. A Sichuan-style radish beef stew is finished, and the taste is so good. Now let's review some key points. First, ask the butcher for the shoulder beef. It is tender and more flavorful this dish. Second, don't cut the beef too small, then my beef will shrink after cooking. Third, this dish is best cooked in a casserole to maximize the flavor. Fourth, add some starch water before serving. This will help to condense and finish the taste. That's all. Hope you enjoy the Sichuan-style beef radish. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe Chef Wang's channel. Unlock the secret of Chinese kitchen. See you next dish.